Let's pop the hood.
All right, YouTube. Welcome to a day in the life of a body shop owner. So, I'll tell you guys, we're gonna turn the camera around and tell you guys what we got on the schedule for today, show you the board, show you the production board, show you behind the counter of how that works. But first, show you what we got going on for today. All right, so this is today's game plan for the body side and the paint side. This is this week's deliveries. When I put it here, it has to happen. So the Camry and the Vista needs to be delivered before Friday. Body side, start on Sierra, finish progress on the Camry, start on the Mazda 6, tear down the box truck, assembly E-Vista. Paint side is going to assemble Crosstrek. This is the Sierra. As you can see, before he left, the body tech started doing repairs on this one. This is the Camry. He got the rear body lined up, everything lining up perfect. So now today he should be welding that in, getting that to paint today. This here is the Mazda 6. Hopefully we can get some progress on this today. We already have the parts here. Brand new quarter panel, which is right there. And the door is right there. Hopefully we get on that one today. Sitting cars don't make money. Cars sitting, taking up space. That space is getting wasted. Money is getting wasted. Sitting cars do not make money. This one is not on the board, but we need to get to this one pretty soon. Customer says that the frame is bent somewhere in there. So we're going to put it on the lift it up. So we think it might be suspension, but we're going to put it in the air and see what's up. This here is the E-Vista. It got painted yesterday. This whole entire quarter was pushed in, so it's got repaired, blended into the front door. It's got metallic in it. And the corner of the bumper. This one is on the board for assembly, then return. This is the box truck that needs to be tore down today. Hopefully we can get to it today so we can get this estimate in, even though I know it's gonna be totaled out. Every airbag deployed. But still gotta get an estimate and get it in. This is the Crosstrek that the paint side is going to put together today so we can get it back delivered. It's nothing but a front bumper assembly, so they should be able to knock that out in less than an hour. And this one is a cash job for my neighbor. 18-wheeler side swiped him and hit him in his last door. I'll put a picture here. Boom. So all he wanted was another door put on, painted. He didn't want anything on this side fixed. He didn't want blend. He just wanted the door painted and put on so he can sell it and try to get a newer car so he can continue doing Uber. But this one is ready to go. It was actually ready to go yesterday. He couldn't get a ride up here yesterday. So hopefully it leaves this morning so we can pick up the new car that's coming in today. So all right, guys, 7:57. It's about time to go up front, open up the door. The guy should be walking in a few minutes. And let's get this day started. All right, y'all. I'll try to do this quick and fast before the phone start ringing because it is 8 o'clock. The guys will be here in a minute. Compressor's going to be going. Tubes is going to be going. You name it. So this is my side of the desk. This is my girl's side of the desk when she's here. First thing we do is we update the board every night, and then we print out what vehicles we got coming in and the parts that we got coming in. As the parts come in, we check them off. We check them, mirror match them, put the date that the parts came in. This right here is our whips, which is work in progress. Anything that's a green folder is a cash car where customers getting their cars repaired there for cash. Red is one of our fleet accounts, and we got purple, which is just cash, which is just normal sales, normal cash sales for the month, which is small things like if someone come in and buy the tires or get a windshield replacement or get a glass replacement, anything that's small cash sales. So we got a new month that just started, so we putting a new folder in for this month. The blue is also another fleet account, and the orange is for custom. So this is really supposed to be the custom side. This is really the collision side, but we don't have anywhere to put these folders, so we kind of put them here. This right here is waiting to be paid. These are all the fleet vehicles that we're waiting to be paid. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So and then we got 2 more that's getting delivered today, so that's 12 cars that's waiting to be paid. So just got to keep dishing them out. All right, guys, it's 10:32. You guys just saw the in-shop progress. Guys rolling, moving. Everything's going on schedule. This the one I said earlier that I might need to pick up, but they ended up delivering it. So this one will go on the board tomorrow for teardown for any type of supplements. But it's here. 2026 Nissan Rogue. All right, y'all, so we finally got the absorber in, 137. We'll check the part number, 5FN24A. All right, that's it. Let's take it to the paint side. All right, y'all, got the Subaru finished. Finna go ahead and deliver this one. The Vista's done. These are fleet cars, so they got their own detail guys, so we just deliver them and they detail them. Any other cars, we would do a full inside and out detail before the customer get them. So all right, let's get these back. All right, y'all, we got the Camry welded in and seam sealed. Man, we popped our last end of the seam seal, so we had to brush it on. So I don't know how it got broke, but we had to do it another way. The bumper's getting repaired. He's finishing this up, so the Camry will be going over to paint tomorrow morning. We got the Sierra and primer, so that'll be painted tomorrow. We didn't get a chance to tear this one down today, but we were able to figure out what was wrong with the Wagoneer. So this will be tore down tomorrow, along with the car that came today, which is the Rogue. So this is what we figured out on the Wagoneer. This part right here that the control arm bolts to is bent up. After we did measurements of everything, we found out that this right here, where this control arm bolts to, is bent up. So, which is why the tire leans in at the top. So we're going to remove all of this suspension, put it on the frame rack, bend that down, and put it back together, and we'll be done with this one. All right, so what we got done today was cross track, Vista. We got the Sierra. We got the Camry. And the Vista. Alright, this is tomorrow's goal. Tear down Rogue, get Camry to paint, start on Mazda, tear down box truck. Paint the Sierra, edge in the Camry parts. That's tomorrow's goal, tomorrow's game plan. Well guys, that's a wrap of episode 1 on the day in the life of a body shop owner. As you guys saw earlier, we had a full schedule. We got 2 cars delivered. We got 1 into paint. We got 1 almost into paint. 1 was supposed to get tore down, but we tore down another one instead. And that's just how it goes. Nothing never really goes as planned when dealing with a collision shop, but every day brings a different challenge. If you guys would like to see more of these type of videos, behind the scenes or inside the shop, something new I'm trying, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know you guys want to see more. And if you guys would like to know have any questions about running a shop, how to get started, dealing with insurance claims, anything shop related, you can put them below, and on the next vlog I will answer them. So until then, see y'all later.